Hello people, my name is Ben from the company called Apfeldoktor in Germany, please Kastel. Some of you may know me because of activity in some Facebook groups. What are you looking for, Andy?
Samsung.
What? What for Samsung you mean? For the battery? Where we have called? Yes? I ask for the name.
Yeah, that's not the name.
Okay. So, sorry, people. What I have for you, I have an iPhone 8, and after a prior repair attempt, we got only 1%, and the device is restarting again and again, rebooting, and this is typically a problem for ripped off MOSFET on the board. So I have a look if I can show you the problem. Yes, I can. Device is booting up.
Elektroschwarz, weißt du was?
37. We have called a minute before.
Ach, da oben steht schon der Name oder so.
So, and here you can see we have always 1%, and the device is rebooting and rebooting, and when we see at our ampere meter, you see the current is not flowing correct. Sorry for my bad English, I'm a German, but I want to enlarge our video business for America, because we have a school here in Germany too. We teach people for repair. At moment we are building the school with new work tables and new hot air and so on. I will show you the room in a few days here on YouTube, and you can see what we have on equipment for our students. So let us open the device and see what we got here. Okay. A normal iPhone 8, would I say. Here somebody has cleaned up the battery, I think with some alcohol or things like that, and because of that we see that the battery looks not shiny. So let us take off the screen. And then we go under the microscope, and there I will show you where the problem is. So first take off the battery, then take off the screen. Okay. Rest of the glue stripes, we renew them. Customer wants a new screen too, we will do so, no problem. And now we go right under the microscope and I show you the problem. And here you can see, oh, here's a ripped off pad. Typically on this damage, here the pad is ripped off, so we have to set a jumper from here to the missing pad, and then we are ready. We can do this without pulling out the board. It is not a problem to do this repair. Just cut out a little bit here and a little bit here, so we have space for work. And I show you in which way I do that. My way to do that is that I cover the test point with a little bit of UV solar mask. because I set a jumper from here to here and I don't want any contact to a test point. So I covered that a little bit. Here you can see. Now I take the UV light and then I set a jumper. Therefore I take a little bit of wire. I hope you can see all what I do and the quality is okay for you. A little bit of flux. Then I take my JBC nice to be with an NT105 solder. What's that? The iron? No, the iron is the iron, and it's the handpiece. Okay. So, a little bit of solder, and then we take our little jumper. Doesn't want to come to me. Here it is. Here it was. I have to take new tweezers. All my tweezers I use are fucked up, like you see. And here we are. Here we are with our little jumper. Here. Come on, baby. Just give me a little space here. Post. Or David, I don't know. So, there we set our little jumper. Jumpy. And a little bit of flux. And again, and again, some solder. So, pads look really nice. Then we clean a little bit. Just a little bit up cleaning here in the house. And you can see jumper has to be here. No problem at all. And again, a little bit of UV solder mask to fix the jumper. Stick on that place. And we can take a new MOSFET. Ist noch jemand kommen? Ehrlich. And let's see. Oh, where you are, baby. where you are, where you are. So, take another MOSFET. The mine has been gone. And here it is. Sorry, people. Just want to... So, and we want to set it up here. And just a little bit of flux to stick on that flux. Okay. So, and now I have to take another nozzle for my JBC hot air. Of course, I had a bigger nozzle on it for a baseband repair a minute ago. So, and now we solder down. Just have to wait for my hot air because it is cooling down at the moment. After cooling down, I can put on the nozzle. So, just melt the flux and then set the MOSFET on the right point. And solder down. Here we are. Sits on his place where it has to be. Just clean up a little bit. And we are here. Looks nice, looks good. And we can test if our work was successful. And I say to you, it was successful. But I show you that it really was successful. Because saying things can everybody, but doing in real, not many people can do it. So, battery on. And so here on the amp meter you already see it, that it works. It is back to life again, like we say. And here you can see we have 34% of battery life, and can you see it? And the amp meter shows us that all is fine again. So we have solved the problem within some minutes. Here we have 14 minutes now with disassembling. I will now clean up the board and set up a new screen, mount the device, and then it goes back to the customer. I hope the video helps you. When you got this problem, you can have a look at the board and do the repair as I have done it here. I hope for a lot of new followers on YouTube in 2019. I will do a lot of videos for you in this year. I want to do about 100 or 150 in this year, because on our German channel we have about 184 videos at the moment, or 190, something like that. And now we want to make some party in the USA and give you some English videos. I'm out. Have a nice day. My name is Ben P on Facebook, from the company called Apfeldoktor in Germany. Peace out.